My name is Justin Collings, and I'm a professor at BYU Law School. Constitutional law is the study of how courts enforce constitutions. When a country adopts a constitution, it sets the frameworks for government. It doesn't make substantive decisions about what the laws are going to be, but it designs how those laws are going to work, and it places restrictions on what kinds of law can be passed. But there has to be somebody to enforce those limitations and to police the boundaries. And in most modern countries, that work has fallen to courts, the Supreme Court in the United States, the Constitutional Court in most other countries. Constitutional law is an important subject to study because every citizen in a constitutional democracy has an interest in the Constitution and how it works. So I think as a matter of citizenship, it's important to study constitutional law. I think it's a wonderful class to study as an undergraduate or in high school. And we try to introduce some of it in our civics programs and in the undergraduate curriculum. But it's especially important at law school because in constitutional law courses, you see law at work where the judge has the most discretion. Many people think of constitutional law as a highly politicized subject, and they're right. But the reason that they're right isn't because the judges on the Supreme Court or the judges on constitutional courts behave badly or they're hyper-partisans. It's just because in constitutional law, you have less of a written standard to guide and constrain you. And so judicial creativity is at its height. And so the influence of policy considerations is also at its height. And I think it's important for every student to see how that works. And it raises big questions about, can you constrain the decisions that judges make? Can they operate in that highly charged political atmosphere in a principled way? Is there an independent life of the law, or does it at some point become merely politics? There are a lot of big questions that constitutional law raises that I think students need to learn to grapple with.